I'm officially done with PowerPoint. And honestly, after the next 5 minutes, you will be too. Google just dropped a massive update to NotebookLM, and it turns raw, unorganized notes into professional, boardroom-ready slides in about 60 seconds. And the best thing about it, it's totally free. It's powered by the new Gemini Nano Banana Pro model, and the results are actually kind of scary. So today, I'm showing you the speedrun workflow for instant decks, plus a secret model priming trick that prevents the AI from hallucinating your data. And stick around to the end, because I need to show you how to bypass the one massive flaw in Google's export settings that everyone is complaining about. Let's dive in. So first things first, head over to NotebookLM. We're gonna create a new notebook and let's just call it AI Automation. Now, look at that prompt box. You've got fast research and deep research. Most people waste way too much time on deep research for simple topics. Don't do that. Just hit fast research. We type in our topic and hit enter. And watch this. While it's scouring the web, notice those little numbers. Those are citations. Unlike ChatGPT, NotebookLM is grounded, meaning if it makes a claim, it has to prove it. And a quick pro tip here. If you see any sources highlighted in red, it just means the link didn't load. Click 3 dots, select delete all failed sources, and keep moving. We don't have time for broken links. Here is where the actual design magic happens. Under slide type, you have 2 choices. Presenter slides are clean, visual, and high impact. Detailed decks are data heavy and better for reports. We're going with presenter slides. But here is the secret sauce. The custom style instructions. You aren't just saying make it look cool. You're talking to Gemini Nano Banana Pro, which actually understands design theory. So type this. Use a modern cyberpunk aesthetic with high contrast dark backgrounds, neon blue accents, and bold sans-serif typography. Generate custom 3D visuals for every slide, and then hit generate. It takes about 60 seconds. Why? Because it isn't just searching for stock photos, it is generating unique images that match your specific branding. Now look at that. Readable typography, consistent color palette, and 0 manual formatting. Okay, that was easy. But what if you have a 40-page PDF of raw data and you need a 5-minute pitch by 9 AM? Most people upload the PDF and immediately hit generate slides. Do not do that. You're gonna get a generic mess. So instead, we are gonna use the chat interface first. We need to prime the model. So I'm gonna type this into chat. Identify the top 5 financial metrics and the 3 biggest risks in this document. By forcing Gemini to answer this in the chat first, you are moving that data into its active memory. You're telling the AI, hey, this is what matters. Now, when we go back to the slide panel, I'll select detailed deck, set the length to short, and then hit generate. Because we primed the model, the AI is now biased towards the facts we just confirmed. It's like giving the AI a highlighter before it starts designing. Much better results. And this works every single time. Now, we have to talk about the elephant in the room, the export. When you download this, it saves it as a PDF. But here's the gotcha. These are flat images. You cannot double click the title to fix a typo. You can't move the logo. If there is a mistake, it's baked in. So you need these to be editable. Use an AI PDF to PowerPoint converter like Adobe or Canva. It takes an extra 30 seconds, but it gives you 100% control over the text while keeping the AI structure. We just went from a blank page to a professional PowerPoint in under 5 minutes. That is the power of the Gemini ecosystem. But honestly, slides are only 10% of the puzzle. If you want to see how to use the audio overview feature to turn these exact same notes into a viral podcast script, or a study guide that makes you learn 2 times faster, you need to watch my next video. It covers the top 1% NotebookLM workflows that nobody's talking about yet. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.